Now that we've got our stocks and account maintenance all set up, it's time to move on and start recording some transactions. Specifically our cash book entries. On the left-hand menu, under the Accounting section, go ahead and click on Cash Book Entry. Once you're on the Cash Book Entry page, look to the top right corner, where you'll see a New button. Click on it and you'll notice two options: New Receipt Voucher and New Payment Voucher. Let's say ABC Enterprise is making a payment on their account. We'll need to issue our first sales receipt. Click on New Receipt Voucher. Under the Receive From section, click Customer and then choose ABC Enterprise from the list. Next, fill in the date and a description for the voucher. Leave the voucher number field blank if you want the system to auto-generate it for you. The current voucher number will usually be displayed in the title bar at the top. You'll notice the voucher is split into two main tables. The top section is where you specify the payment method and the bottom section captures the transaction details. In the Payment Method section, add how the payment was made. This could be bank transfer, credit card, cash, etc. And enter the amount received. In the Details section, check if the account number is automatically linked to ABC Enterprise, and continue adding description and other details. If you have multiple receipt vouchers to enter, you can streamline the process by ticking the checkbox labeled Proceed New Receipt Voucher at the bottom left. Once all your details are in and double-checked, go ahead and click Save. And just like that, your first receipt voucher is successfully recorded. A prompt window should appear, asking if you would like to create a knockoff for this transaction. Click Yes, and a new knockoff entry window will appear. Knockoffs are used to match or reconcile payments with outstanding invoices for a customer or supplier. In this case, the system will list any outstanding invoices or related transactions from ABC Enterprise. Tick the boxes next to the transactions you want to knock off. This may include multiple entries, depending on what the payment is being applied to. The total applied amount should read 0, meaning the knockoff is perfectly balanced. Click Save to commit changes. To confirm that your knockoff was successful, find the receipt voucher that we have created from the transaction list. The voucher status should now display as Fully Applied. Now that we've successfully recorded our first sales transaction, let's move on to creating our very first payment transaction. Head over to the top right corner of your screen and click on Plus New. Then select New Payment Voucher. In the Pay To section, refer the payment voucher to the creditor. Then add your description and date. Again, you can leave the voucher number field blank if you want the system to auto-generate it for you. In the Payment Method section, add how the payment was made and enter the amount paid. In the Details section, assign the relevant expense account. Once everything is reviewed and confirmed, click Save. That is how you add payment voucher on AutoCount Cloud Accounting.